Hello, this is Sherry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first tutorial about MBP. We'll introduce how to use MBP to build a model very briefly. Let's open MBP first. To start a model project, we need to select the right model first. So we need to go to Model, select the model. It will pop up a new window. We can see that MBP supports DC, RF, statistical, and reliability modeling. And there are also different device types like BGT, diode, capacitor, resistor, MOSFET devices supported. We use the MOSFET BSIN4 as an example, and also we use the HSpice version. It warns us it will start a new project and it will clear all the current data on the model. We need to continue with this. And after creating this project, we can see that the model here is changed to the default BSIN4 model. In this case, we just use the BSIN4 model as the initial model. But in the real modeling case, if you already have an existing model, you want to retune some of the parameters, you need to select your existing model first. To select the model, we can go to File, Model, Load. And you can load your model from here. We will use the default model in this project. And when we have the model loaded, we need to load data as well. And we can go to File, Data, Load. And we use this demo data as the example. After the data is loaded, we can see the MBP GUI is separated to different panels. First is the device panel. Different device geometries are listed here. And then the page panel. It shows different curves from one of the geometries selected. On the right side is the plots panel. User can put the curves they want to show on this panel. And also the layout of the plots can be customized through Tool Layout here. And we can see there are dots and lines on each plot. The dots stands for the measurement data, and the lines stands for the simulation value. The model engineer's work is to tune the parameters, make the simulation line face the measurement data. So how to tune the parameters? We need to select the parameters first. You can add parameters from the model parameter table here, for example, VGH0 and μ0. And if you're familiar with the parameter name, you can also search the parameter name directly and add it to the list. The parameters listed here, you can use these parameters to tune the model. For example, we can tune the VGH0, use the mouse. We can see that when the parameter value is changing, the simulation line is changing at the same time. That is because MBP has an internal engine. The simulation speed is very fast. And it supports parameter group here. You can use a group of parameters to tune one of the curve or a group of the curves. For example, I use the VP0 and some modality parameters here as a group. I can give it a name, IDVG, or I use this group of parameters to tune the large device, this 10 by 10 device. Then you can select this one, and this is the IDVG curve, and we can maximize it. And fixing the video first, and then that's pretty close. And besides the manual tuning, we can also uh, use optimize. For example, still use this group of parameters. We can we can back to the initial steps, and we can select select the region on the graph, and we have the parameters selected, and use this button to do optimization. And we can check the log scale and the linear scale. Both are fitting pretty good. This is the most basic steps about how to use MBP to tune a model. And this is the first video. Thanks for watching this, and please looking forward to more videos later. Thank you.